Hey folks, it's Tank Girl here from CS 2018. I'm at Showstoppers again, and this was actually announced at the Lenovo press conference earlier today. It is the Lenovo Mirage Camera. It's a stereoscopic camera, basically a 180-degree VR camera. And it's portable, just acts like a camera. It's connected. It's got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and all that. And of course a tripod mount for it, you can see here. You know, battery, lanyard. It's a complete, you know, system based on a Snapdragon 626, so it's actually kind of interesting. You can see the Daydream logo here because it is Daydream compatible insofar that you can take video and photos stereoscopically and reproduce them on a VR headset, right? And then you can also stream to YouTube in stereo, stereoscopically in VR at 180 degrees, which is really interesting. But because it is just two lenses next to each other, you can also, everything that you create with this camera is compatible with just 2D, so any normal phone, any normal TV screen can display the content without any special tweaks. So that's what it is. Very interesting. As you can see, there's a bunch of buttons here. There's clearly a shutter button there, another bunch of things. I'm not sure if this opens. Yeah, it does. This is where the ports are. It looks like it has a USB and SD card slot. So there you got it, the Lenovo Mirage Camera here at CS 2018. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to like this video, and more importantly, subscribe to my podcast, worldtechpodcast.com. Cheers folks.